Hello, welcome back. On board today, the quantity 2½ square divided by 1¼ divided by 5. If you already have an answer or even a guess, post and drop it in the comments. I read them all. Let's solve it together. A very common approach here is to square the parts separately. 2 square is 4, 1/2 square is 1/4. Add them together, 4 and 1/4. But you know this is not the right way. An exponent does not distribute over addition. 2½ is really 2 plus 1/2. The true square is bigger. Let's do it the exact way. The clean method: convert first, then square. Two and a half is 5/2. Now square the top and the bottom separately. 5 square is 25. 2 square is 4, so the true square is 25/4. Now the chain: 25/4 divided by 5/4. Keep, chain, flip. 25/4 times 4/5. The 4's cancel. 25/5 is 5. Then 5 divided by 5 is exactly 1. Our final answer is 1, a perfect whole number, the sign of clean method. The rule to carry home: whenever an exponent meets mixed number, convert to an improper fraction first. Now your turn. On the screen, the quantity 1½ square divided by 3/8 multiplied by 1/2. Drop your answer in the comments. I'll pin the correct one. If this lesson helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.